Step 1. Identify your niche and passion. Self-evaluation. List your skills, interests, and passions. Assess where you can add the most value. Market research. Identify unresolved problems or needs in the market. Analyze the competition and look for gaps. Step 2. Education and development. Continuing education. Invest in relevant courses, workshops, and certifications. Read books and articles about entrepreneurship and finance. Networking. Attend industry events. Connect with mentors and other entrepreneurs. Step 3. Business planning and execution. Develop a business plan. Outline your vision, mission, and values. Set short and long-term goals. Carry out a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Business model and structure. Choose a scalable business model. Decide the legal structure of the business: MEI, Oralie, LTDA, etc. Financing. Identify funding sources: investors, loans, crowdfunding. Craft a convincing pitch to attract investors. Step 4. Marketing and growth. Marketing strategy. Develop a strong, recognizable brand. Use digital marketing: SEO, social networks, email marketing, sales and customer relationship. Create an effective sales strategy. Focus on customer service and building lasting relationships. Step 5. Financial management. Budget and accounting. Keep accurate financial records. Use accounting software to simplify financial management. Investments and diversification. Invest part of the profits in stocks, real estate, or other assets. Diversify to minimize risks. Step 6. Automation and scalability. Process automation. Use technology to automate repetitive tasks. Invest in CRM and ERP systems to manage operations. Business expansion. Explore new geographic markets. Consider franchises or licensing models. Step 7. Personal development and leadership. Effective leadership. Develop leadership skills. Inspire and motivate your team. Work-life balance. Manage your time efficiently. Take care of your physical and mental health. Step 8. Monitoring and adjustment. Performance analysis. Monitor KPIs: key performance indicators. Make adjustments as needed based on data and feedback. Continuous innovation. Always be aware of new trends and technologies. Constantly innovate to maintain competitiveness. Conclusion. Making big money requires a combination of strategy, hard work, and resilience. By following this roadmap and adapting the strategies to your specific circumstances, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success in a sustainable and ethical way. Remember that patience and perseverance are crucial, and that success usually doesn't happen overnight. Good luck. Step 9. Exploration of new markets and opportunities. Internationalization. Research international markets where your product or service may be in demand. Study the regulations and legal requirements for operating in other countries. Strategic partnerships. Form alliances with complementary companies. Explore joint ventures and collaborations for market expansion. Cultural adaptation. Understand cultural differences and adapt your marketing and products accordingly. Hire or consult local experts for better market penetration. Step 10. Innovation and product development. Research and development (R&D). Invest in R&D to improve your products or create new ones. Keep an eye on market trends and technological advances. Customer feedback. Use customer feedback to improve your products and services. Conduct beta and pilot tests to validate new ideas. Rapid prototyping. Use agile methodologies to quickly develop and test prototypes. Continuously improve based on test results. Step 11. Advanced marketing strategies. Content marketing. Create valuable content that educates and engages your target audience. Use blogs, videos, podcasts, and infographics to increase visibility. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers to reach new audiences. Choose influencers who align with your brand values. Paid advertising. Use ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms to reach potential customers. Conduct A/B tests to optimize your advertising campaigns. Step 12. People management and organizational culture. Hiring and retaining talent. Create an effective recruiting process to attract top talent. Offer competitive benefits and a positive work environment to retain employees. Career development. Invest in the professional development of your employees. Offer opportunities for growth and career advancement within the company. Organizational culture. Cultivate a culture of innovation, collaboration and responsibility. Promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace. Step 13. Sustainability and social responsibility. Sustainable practices. Adopt sustainable practices in all areas of the business. Reduce environmental impact through efficient processes and use of renewable energy. Corporate social responsibility (CSR). Engage in CSR initiatives that benefit the community. Invest in social and environmental projects that are aligned with the company's values. Transparency and ethics. Maintain transparency in operations and communications. Adopt ethical business practices and comply with all regulations. Step 14. Crisis management and resilience. Contingency planning. Develop contingency plans to deal with possible crises. Train staff to react quickly to emergency situations. Risk diversification. Diversify your revenue sources to minimize the impact of crises in specific sectors. Have financial reserves to withstand difficult periods. Crisis communication. Establish a clear communication plan for times of crisis. Maintain transparency with customers, employees and stakeholders during crises. Step 15. Automation and use of advanced technology. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML). Implement AI and ML to optimize processes, predict trends, and improve decision-making. Use chatbots and virtual assistants to improve customer service. Blockchain and data security. Explore the use of blockchain to increase transaction transparency and security. Invest in cybersecurity to protect sensitive company and customer data. Internet of Things (IoT). Use IoT devices to monitor and optimize operations in real time. Improve efficiency and reduce costs through process automation. Step 16. Constant review and optimization. Regular audits. Perform financial, operational, and compliance audits regularly. Use audit results to identify areas for improvement, feedback and adjustments. Solicit ongoing feedback from customers, employees and stakeholders. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gain. Continuous innovation. Stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations in your industry. Adopt a continuous improvement mindset across all aspects of the business. Extended conclusion. Making a lot of money sustainably and ethically is a complex process that requires a multifaceted approach. Following this detailed roadmap can help maximize your chances of financial success by adapting to market changes and staying ahead of the competition. Remember that financial success is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about creating value, positively impacting society, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Good luck on your journey.